A lack of fire protection in the building can become a fatal hazard. Fire often spreads via the building services equipment. This endangers parts of the building not initially affected. In drainage systems, this often involves the floor drains. After the water seal in the odor trap has evaporated, first toxic smoke and eventually flames can spread unnoticed to the next floor, and the fire can spread further. The KESSEL Fire Kit and Quick-Fit fire protection inserts, usable in the EcoGuss, Practicus and Ferrofix drains, provide the building with a fully fireproof drainage system. The prerequisite is that the floor slab is at least 150 mm thick for the connection dimensions DN50, 70, 80 and 100, and that the bottom edge of the fire kit is at least 15 mm above the base of the rough concrete floor slab. Heat causes the fire protection insert to expand and seal the opening due to expansion pressure. Depending on the fire resistance class of the floor slab, this guarantees up to 120 minutes of protection from smoke and fire.